Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this presentation that I have before you. Well, my name is Angela Stewart, also known as the Travel Plug, and I am coming to present to you this amazing presentation to talk all things about network marketers. And I titled this presentation, Who Said Network Marketers Are Scammers? Well, I titled it that simply because, unfortunately, for many people, network marketers, they don't feel good, they don't feel confident about them, right? Simply because of, it's kind of like what your parents tell you when you're growing up, that one bad apple can spoil the bunch. And we know that to be the case, or know that to be true. And so unfortunately, it's like being a network marketer, unfortunately many people, they compare that to something negative, right? But I want you guys to know that this is not true. I want you to hear the benefits of actually being a part of this amazing industry. So I want you to sit back and relax and listen to this amazing presentation I have before you. Again, my name is Angela Stewart, also known as the Travel Plug. Just a little bit about myself. I am coming to you straight out of Houston, Texas, guys. I am, in fact, a wife. I am a mom of two beautiful teenage daughters, and I am a full-time certified travel agent. What does that mean? I simply get paid, guys, for booking travel for myself and others. I am also a full-time travel agent coach. I mean, travel business coach. My apologies. I actually coach and train a team of other agents on how to actually win in their travel business. And so we're going to go ahead and get started and dive right into this presentation. This opportunity is also referred, not only network marketers, but we are referred to as the MLM opportunity. And I want you guys to understand that it provides you an entrepreneurial opportunity. It takes common individuals and allow them to be able to live an extraordinary lifestyle if they work this business right. So it offers them a chance to start their very own business with a very low initial investment, very low risk compared to actually getting started a traditional business model, right? And so getting a traditional business, brick and mortar, it takes a lot. It takes hundreds, I mean, not hundreds of thousands, it can, but no, it usually takes about thousands of dollars for you to upstart that business. And that's before you ever turn a profit, right? The next benefit of being in network marketing is having a flexible work schedule, guys. I don't know about you, but I know when I was working for someone else, I often felt restricted with my schedule because I had to work or do everything else that I needed to do around my work schedule, which is oftentimes frustrating because that's not always convenient, right? And the reality is I'm real grown, and I'm pretty sure if you're watching this, you probably are too. And so, no, in reality, you don't need somebody to tell you what your schedule, what your day needs to look like, right? So, this is what this opportunity allows you to do. Listen, work your plan A, build your plan B, and till your income long surpasses the income that you receive on your plan A, so that you can be in full position of creating your schedule, right? MLM opportunity allows people to work on their own terms, set their own schedule. The flexibility can be appealing to those who value a work life balance or just have simple other commitments, other opportunities, or things that needs to be done, right? Then there's the unlimited earning potential, guys. Over here, this is an uncapped opportunity, guys. That is one of the best advantages of being a business owner. It's just no one is going to tell you that you've made too much money today. No one is going to say that you're signing too many people up in the business too fast. That'll just absolutely never happen. MLM compensation plans often offer the opportunity to earn unlimited income. Successful distributors can increase their earnings based on their sales and the performance of their downline. Let's look at my business opportunity, for example. So there is a 3 by 9 matrix. It is a very aggressive compensation plan, guys. We start getting rewarded early on in this compensation plan. Once you have three people that's enrolled in the business under you, you are now considered a bronze builder. If you have six people that actually enroll under you, you are now considered a silver builder. And once you have nine people, guys, enroll under you, you are now considered a gold builder. And this is where you unlock additional bonuses, overrides, as well as residual income that will unlock the entire matrix, guys, going 9 levels deep. And so you don't have to understand what all of that means, but just know that you are now being able to create for yourself unlimited income and being able to leave your family a legacy, which is powerful, guys. And so that is like the best, most attractive part of becoming a business owner, is being able to truly be to position yourself to leave your family a legacy. And not only that, but get paid from the work that you do only once, and it continues to pay you over and over again for years to come. Let's get into the personal growth and development. Oh my gosh, being a network marketer, it requires you to totally work on yourself. It also helps you not only work on yourself, but better study people, right? Because we work in the people business. And so it is imperative that you understand the many different personality types out there. And it's also imperative that you understand yourself. And so it's a great idea to get in and start reading many successful help books that are going to be recommended from your leaders in this industry, because they already have been through what you're going to go through, so they know what you should read that is going to help you build your muscle along the way on your journey to being successful in this industry. So MLM encourages individuals to take control of their financial future, be proactive in building their business. This can lead to a sense of empowerment and independence. And that is absolutely the truth. It will totally build your posture, and it'll make it a lot easier for you to have a stronger conviction along the way on being confident on how you share this business opportunity with others. Community and support. So, MLM creates a sense of community among distributors. Support from upline sponsors, fellow distributors can be motivating and helpful in achieving success. All of that is basically just saying this, guys. When you join me in business, for instance, you are not only going to receive myself, but there are 1,900 other active agents on our team, guys. You will join our exclusive Facebook team group, and you will have access to, like I said, not just myself, but you'll have access to our upline, who is our director, and she also provides you with a link that you get to click on and schedule your one-on-one coaching session with her, unlimited throughout the month, right? And even myself, I too have my own link, guys, that you can click on and schedule a time to meet with me to also get your questions answered. So it's definitely a lot of community and support. I strongly urge and support you, encourage you rather, to be sure to rub elbows with other leaders on the team, pick their brain, get to know them well, and you never know, you guys could become accountability partners, and it can really help you take your business to the next level. So I totally support that. Products and services. MLM opportunity companies typically offer a wide range of products and services in various industries, providing distributors with diverse options to promote and sell. Well, in my business opportunity in particular, our product is travel, guys. And I love this product because this isn't a product that ever goes out of style, it never goes out of stock. It is something that is actually always available, guys. And it is something that has shown us to be recession proof as well as pandemic proof. It has been able to survive the recession as well as COVID, right? And so this is an amazing, very attractive product to have, because most people are already traveling, or they desire to travel more. They're saving up even as we speak to go to take their children on a Disney vacation, or to just finally get on an adults only all inclusive resort, right, on some island, right? So This is an amazing product. So it is imperative that when you're looking into an opportunity, you want to choose an opportunity that just makes sense. It should be a well sought out product, guys. And travel is that product, because again, there is no back shipping. There is no anyone reaching out to you and saying the package arrived to them damaged, guys. This is an amazing product to have, and it works for you, where you don't have to sell it. All you have to do is share it. You share a flyer that you've put together this package, and people will buy what you sell. They will buy what you put, what you promote. So this is an amazing product to have. Then we're going to get into being in the MLM opportunity also provides you with a low overhead cost. Compared to traditional brick and mortar businesses, MLM distributors can operate their businesses from home. But here, guys, I like to say we don't just operate our businesses from home. We actually operate our businesses from anywhere in the world. Literally, guys, wherever we have a working device, a strong Wi-Fi connection, guys, we are literally in business. And so if we are literally avoiding the need for a physical storefront or excessive inventory. Over here, guys, there's no inventory. There's no quotas or any of that so most people have to deal with in the traditional work environment, right? There is no quotas. There is no inventory or any stock that you have to keep up with. And that's what I love. I love the fact that this is a low maintenance type of business, right? Because it's a turnkey business. Excuse me. It is totally duplicatable, and anyone can get started and do this. Income. Let's talk about residual income. MLM opportunities oftentimes provides the distributors the option to earn passive or residual income. This simply means, guys, that you can continue to earn money even when you're not even actively working, thanks to ongoing commissions from their downline sales. So even if I'm not working, people that I introduced the opportunity to who gotten started, guess what, guys? Even if I'm not working, but they are working, I can still get paid. And that is leverage, and that is passive income. And the residual income comes into play as long as they continue to pay their monthly fee, which is their monthly overhead to keep the lights on in their business, guys. I will continue to receive a commission I will receive residual income based off of them staying active in this amazing opportunity. And that is so powerful. And so we have now got into what we want to talk about: personal empowerment. MLM encourages individuals to take control of their financial future and be proactive in building your business. This can lead us to a sense of empowerment and independence. And I totally agree. MLM totally encourages individuals to take control of their financial future and be proactive, right? In building your business. I like to tell my team, those who join my team, to be sure to touch the vision daily. Listen, your vision is not going to be my vision. How you want you, what your business model and structure and what you desire to do with your business probably is not going to be fall in alignment with what my personal vision is with my business. But guess what? That is perfectly okay, guys. Here, I am going to totally encourage and inspire you to go after creating what it is that you see in your head for your personal vision, for your business. That's what I want to help you make happen. And so it's important that I make sure that I build you up in such a way that you will go out and you will take every chance that there is that's possible to make sure that you make those things happen for your business, right? Because you're going to be empowered to do so, because I'm going to show you the way. And that is what I love about the MLM opportunity. And last but most certainly not least, positive relationships. Oh my gosh, guys, I could go on and on about this, but I'm gonna keep it very brief. Guys, I have three amazing accountability partners. I call them the Travel Boss Sisters in Success, and they are again, they're my accountability sisters in this business, guys. I report to them daily. We literally encourage one another. We inspire one another to work our businesses and go hard hard for ourselves the way that we once upon a time went hard for someone else's business, right? And so the MLM opportunity fosters positive relationships and networking opportunities. Distributors often build friendships and connections with other like minded individuals who share similar goals and interests. So that will be people that's in the business, guys, and it will be people that you will meet along the way as you're prospecting people, as you're being outgoing and reaching out to new people to get to build new relationships. You are going to meet some amazing people along the way. And that is another, if you ask me, another added benefit to being a network marketer. And so we have come to the end, guys. You have made it. Listen, how you can get started in my opportunity where you can become a travel professional, guys. You can book travel, you can sell it. That means you can book it for yourself and others and be paid an amazing commission off of that. But you also can become a part of the amazing marketing representative opportunity. That just simply means, guys, you also can sign up with the affiliate marketing opportunity where you're able to share this opportunity with others. So to do so, I just want you to do a few things for me. First of all, I want you to make sure that you like this video, guys. Also, be sure to share it. I also ask that lastly that you will be sure to go to the travelagentworkshop.com. You can go there two ways. You can actually go to the website travelagentworkshop.com, or you can text the word workshop to 281-767-9711. Again, you can text the code word workshop to 281-767-9711. It is going to ask you for my sponsor ID code, and that sponsor ID code is what you see in front of you, A Stewart 5K. As you can see, it is Stewart with a T at the end. Guys, that is it for today. I do hope that you enjoyed this presentation. I hope that you feel a lot more comfortable concerning network marketers and you won't run from them when they come presenting an opportunity. Any opportunity, guys, you're looking into, it's imperative that you do your due diligence and your research on the company. Two things you want to care a lot about is what their rating is with the Better Business Bureau and whether or not they pay their taxes to the IRS. Those are two things that you especially want to confirm that they're in good standing with, and from there you should be able to make an informed decision on how to move forward. Until next time, guys, be blessed.